Hey guys, it's me, Annabella Rose, back on KamaTV, expert dating coach from KamaLifestyles.com. Now today I'm out on the streets asking today's question, which is, what do girls not tell you about sex? Now, sex is an interesting topic. A lot of people are shy and a little bit self-conscious, so are unable to openly communicate maybe what they want, what they need, and maybe they're scared to tell you a certain thing. Now I'm going to get to the bottom of what it is that they won't tell you and why. And hey, maybe give you some hints to make you an expert partner in bed. What won't you tell a guy about sex?
Forcible enjoy.
Mystery tattoo.
Probably that they're doing a shit job.
It's not big enough.
If I wasn't enjoying a certain position of how he did it or something, I'd probably tell him, but I'd probably be very open about how he made me feel.
Do you think it depends on like the length of time that you are with a guy, of how open you are?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
You let him know then and there what you want and how you feel.
I think it depends on the guy, but I'm pretty like chill about like this whole thing, you know?
I like this. She's open. So are you just willing to just tell a guy how you feel?
Yeah, because obviously if something happens with this guy, it means like there is a connection at first, and I feel confident with the guy.
I have a daughter.
You wouldn't tell them that you have a daughter?
Yeah, while sex.
Let's say, is there an element of sex that you're shy about?
No, definitely not. I think you just have to feel it, be with it, go for it.
Do you think communication is good?
Absolutely, man.
Okay.
The more the better.
Would you tell a guy what you want?
Sometimes when he's in the right spot,
Okay.
then I would be like, I would encourage him to carry on in that position.
Okay,
you know?
okay.
Absolutely.
You're not shy about any sort of topic?
No, I wouldn't say so, but I don't know, throw something at me, then we'll see.
Is there anything that you'd be like shy about?
I think people tend to be shy about girls' vaginas and are talking about it, the smell, the look, and it's just like, hey, it's there.
Yeah, first of all, you need to like it, like absolutely, because like sometimes like yes, they like, but not particular. I mean, like I'm from Italy, so I prefer like something like very.
Would you ever be shy about a subject about sex? Would you direct a guy? Would you be like, do this, do that?
Life is short.
Exactly.
Come on, like why do you have to waste my time? Yeah, it's fine.
Is there anything that you're shy about in the subject of sex? Or are you like super open, communicative?
Depends how many drinks I have.
It depends on the guy. Is it someone I'm dating, or is it just like, not so important, like friend with benefits or a one night stand? You need to be more specific.
How they look. If
They look bad.
they look bad, yeah. Always be polite, yeah.
So what do you think people are most self-conscious about in the bedroom? What are people shy to say?
Yeah, I think people are shy to be noisy.
Yeah, I think people get too nervous about,
Right.
I probably wouldn't tell him that I'm gay if I was with a guy.
Now, are you the type of person that would just tell the other person, your partner, what you want?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
I'm very straightforward, I always have been. I mean, I think that if you want to actually get satisfaction, especially being a female, you have to sort of have a little bit of direction. You need to speak, talk through it, figure out what feels right.
Do you think a lot of people are scared to do that?
Oh yeah, definitely. I've got so many friends who've even after being with their boyfriends for years will not say what they want.
Do you think that a lot of people are shy when it comes to talking about sex?
Yes.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Why do you think people are so shy?
Because it's something personal. By culture, you don't share with other people. It's like a taboo. Anything. I will say everything for a guy about sex.
Is there anything that you're shy about?
No. I think I would tell everything, but not directly,
So do you think that you're confident enough to communicate with a guy? Or?
Yeah, I think that kind of throws me because I just tell them straight out everything.
I like
that. Literally, I just tell them everything, so there's literally nothing that I wouldn't say.
but you're bad.
Okay. Would you give a guy directions?
No. It depends. If it's a boyfriend, maybe.
Slightly, but not massively.
What do you think makes a good partner in the bedroom?
Just someone that loves you. I don't know. It's just nice to know that they actually love you. Yeah, definitely.
If he waits for me,
Just her being her.
I think a connection is really important. I think you need to be able to feel and read the other person. I think it's really important.
better to don't go directly to the point. If it's not a situation that is very, very hot, it's better obviously like to go to the preliminary, remember like all the part of the body.
Like you said, open communication, really lovely and nice. Yeah.
First of all, it's someone who you're comfortable with, not just physically, but emotionally, and emotional connection is everything.
Loving. They gotta be loving. Can't just be like throw you around like a rag doll.
Right?
Yeah.
Give as much as take. Not being explicit, but you know, trying to work both ways, so to speak.
I
Yeah.
like that. Work both ways. Two-way street.
Not being lazy.
Someone who will you till you scream.
Not to be selfish, to think about the other is very important.
Yeah, not being selfish is definitely a key. I would also say someone who's willing to compromise.
First of all, personality and flexibility, that in order to understand the other, be open to listen the other.
Confidence and respect. After the communication, he doesn't respect the things you say or something like this, you're not gonna have a good time.
Well, confidence.
Someone that's very attentive.
Do you think communication is important when it comes to sex?
Yeah, of course
know what I
it is.
mean?
Yeah.
I feel like sometimes you just don't. You'd rather not say anything.
Communication is key. Yeah, absolutely. 100%.
Yeah, definitely. Otherwise, how do you know
Right?
what your partner wants?
Yeah, yeah.
Of course it is. Consent comes from communication, so it has to be a very, very big part of the whole experience, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, very important.
Absolutely, communication is key.
Yes, because if you don't have good communication, you cannot have good time in the bed.
It is crucial, yes.
So there you have it, guys. The answer to today's question, which is what women won't tell you about sex. Now, actually, it was quite surprising, and it surprised me. A lot of people are very open and communicative when it comes to sex, and there isn't a certain thing that they won't tell you. I think a lot of girls in the beginning can be quite shy, maybe about their body issues, about their weight, about the way that they look, and that is something that they won't openly communicate, and they kind of expect you to guess that on your own. But when you have been with a girl, they seem to be extremely confident in telling you what to do, how to do it, and you to them, making sure that you become the perfect sexual partner. You know what helps being fantastic in the bedroom? Being an alpha male. How about you come and join us for our alpha male course? You can find it by clicking on the link below or clicking on the card above, which will take you to KamaLifestyles.com and tell you everything you need to know about this alpha male course. Now, guys, you know what to do. Surely I don't have to tell you again. If you have simply loved this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow us on all of our social media by clicking on the link below that you'll find in the information box. And of course, if you do want to work with me one-on-one, then drop me an email to Annabella@KamaLifestyles.com. I myself have been Annabella Rose, and I will see you next time.